How are you all? Welcome to my channel. So I'm Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a very easy greeting card. So the materials required are, first of all you need a pink sheet, a heart sheet, pattern sheet, a black sheet of 15 by 30 centimeter, two quillings which I've done, a scale, a pencil, a marker and a scissor. So let's start. First I will take this and fold this into half, a black colored sheet. Now what we'll do is, we'll take this sheet and fold it like this till we obtain a perfect square. And I will cut this leftover part. Now we'll cut this. We will obtain this square. Now I'll fold like this, then like this, and then like this, and like we make a squash card. So like this I will fold it in all the directions, and now we will make a squash card. First we will do it like this, then like this. We will keep the paper like this, fold it like this. This is my own way of making a squash card, the easy one. And we will keep it like this and press it. This way we will get a squash card. Now what we have to do is fold it into half and just draw a heart. This way I have roughly drawn a heart, and now we just have to draw a half heart and just cut it out. Like this we've got a heart squash card. And now what we will do is, now I'll keep this and I will trace this with a pencil. We need a rough tracing. So this is the heart size. Now what we will do is, I will draw the smaller boundary. Just like this, inside the heart we will draw this, and we have to cut this small heart. Like this I have cut out one heart, and let's see. So like this we will be sticking it on here. So we need 4 hearts like this. What I'll do is I'll trace 4 hearts like this. So like this I have traced 4 hearts, and now I will cut them out. So guys, like this I have got 4 hearts, and now what we'll do is, we'll take our heart card pop-up, and now we'll stick all 4 of them like this. Apply less Fevicol. Stick these hearts on all 4 of them. Like this you have to stick all the hearts, and now just press it so that the hearts can also get good. So like this it's ready, and now we will write something. So first here I'm writing happy Here I'll write Valentine's. And here day. And here I write I love you. And now we will close it. Now we will take a black sheet and we will place it like this here in the sequence, and now apply glue on whole of it. Keep it in the center and just close it and press it and open it. Now keep it like this. Apply glue here also and close it. Now open it. It's like this. Now here what we'll do is, I'll take my bright floral paper bag which I got for a Happy Mail, and now I will choose designs. One I would choose this one. Now we'll fold it into half. It's a 10 into 10 centimeter sheet and draw a heart. And I will cut it out. And now what we will do is, now I will paste it. I've taken this small strip of paper, and what I'll do is, I will take a scissor and cut a triangle here. Like this, cut it on another side also. Paste it. Here in the center. And I will write Happy Valentine's Day. Like this. Like this. And now from the leftover pattern sheet, I will take my heart punch and punch 2 hearts. And I will paste it here and here. They are very small, so difficult to stick also. Now the second one also we'll stick like this. So this way I've made a very beautiful Valentine's Day card, and I hope you guys will like it. So give this video a very big thumbs up and comment down how was the video, and share this video with everyone. So bye guys, meet in my next video.